Well, good evening. God is great. I have some brown rice, rice and peas. Rice I chop like it too fast. Just take a taste. I'm not eat my dinner yet. But this is my rice and peas. You can see where I catch a little bit there, so I scrape out all the bun because I can't make the waste it too rich and nice eat there. Enough coconut milk in it. It's very rich. Nice brown rice. Right tastes good. Little green gongo. Let me say, it's nice. I mean, want to waste something like pot. I look at pot of ketchup. Make sure you come like bun. One pot nice. Food really nice. Anyway, I'm not eating dinner yet. So for today and maybe tomorrow. I give my mom hungry and I can eat. I just have some salmon head. I love the head of the salmon. Cut up and cook down. My grapeseed oil. I kind of fry it with the pepper. You have pepper, scallion, onion, thyme. A lot of garlic. And I kind of fry the head and I put a little water upon it after I fry them. You know? I drop like a water upon it and make it steam now with the scallion, thyme and everything into gravy. Now watch a little bit of oil in a grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is good for the fish head, carry a lot of oil. But it tastes really good. It's not too much oil because I have rice to go with it. I use a little and it tastes very nice. It's very spicy, very hot with pepper. And it tastes damn good. And this is how my dinner look. You know, bad mind drunk or can't stop you from eat. You must eat. You must eat and you must survive and you must thank God for what you have. Many people don't have dinner this evening. And me one of my dinner this one alone. And I'm me alone. So me thank God for everything and thank you guys. And all the haters of them I tell lie and I try to stop me. If you purchase something from me, you feel have a problem, you're supposed to call me and get to me. You understand? Me can't know about what's going on and then people are write up all kind of something I put on Facebook about this because me have many hundreds and hundreds going to the thousand of people buying me stuff and me have good product. Alright, so they don't follow people, try the product for yourself and you see how good it is. Alright, my number is 3474693874 and this is my dinner. You have a wonderful evening, guys, and God bless you. One love, and so on. I'll see if I could come back on later and talk to you guys. I'll see what I can do. But for right now, I need to relax and eat this food and eat some of this food. Maybe eat all, maybe I don't eat all. Depends how much my belly can hold. See, the bag was empty since last night. So I will see what I can do about the bag. I am going to sit down and enjoy the meal that God gives to me. I'm going to eat it because this is blessing. Swell up like a pot of white rice and the rice are nice. This is actually GoyA rice and GoyA has some good brown rice. I was surprised. They have some new rice will come. Yeah man, has some new rice and the rice them taste really good from GoyA. The brown rice tastes really nice. When I say it tastes nice, it tastes really nice. But I don't know if I can find it for sure you may talk about right now. I'm going to put the rest. But now I have to see it. Let me find one bag with some. You went by the regular health store and you buy the rice at the health store. And the other day was closed, but I went into the the Japanese place in the corner restaurant. They also sell the healthy rice in a container. Which the healthy rice in a container a certain amount for $8, $9. But these bags are from GoyA. And it tastes really good. It's natural rice that you want to get in the health store. It was $3.99 a bag. And this is not a full bag that me use. As some out of the bag, I get that much rice. And it eat very well. So if a person like to eat good and worrying about your body, you can go and get the GoyA brown rice. I can actually tell it tastes really good with green gongo and coconut milk. What I'm using here is 2 packs of coconut milk. And 1 pack of gongo. And some of the GoyA scallion and thyme. And hot pepper. And some of the GoyA brown rice, and it really tastes good. I cooked it the last time and I cook it now again. So guys, good evening, enjoy your evening, and may God be with you and your family. Stay blessed, eat good, and enjoy your time on earth.